In the journey of life, we often find ourselves seeking acceptance, yearning to be part of a greater society. I too walked that path, a path marked by mistakes, a path where I felt lost, and most of all, a path where I had no sense of self. Join me as I share how I discovered the key to unlocking my true self.
I was born to be a fighter, had these dreams and desires. I would be something better, energy, got a fire in my soul to keep burning, a pain that keep hurting, a curse is emerging, feel the thirst, keep on working, I won't stop, I won't quit, to the top of this shit, I get lost in the work, sweat dripping, not a bitch, I get mad, I get pissed, I get after this shit, hit the gas, feel the grip, adrenaline, never miss, I'm not patient, but I've learned to embrace it, cause I've been working, I've been waiting, never complacent, cause I'm so close I could taste it, want it away from everything I've been chasing. I'm honest and I promise that I got this. I'm launching, all I've wanted has been exhausting. I'll teach you how to harness, control the conscious. You got this, yeah you got this, you gotta want it.
I looked in the mirror and all I saw were my flaws. No self-esteem, no sense of purpose. It was a dark place and I needed to find a way out. Then it hit me. Working out, a simple yet transformative act, a commitment to pushing myself every single day. It became a ritual, a mantra, facing the challenges head on. Every drop of sweat, every push beyond my limit was a step towards building mental armor. Repetition became my ally and I started doing things I never thought I could.
To get to the top, then you must be where God, I'm like, hey, I will not stop, I am prepared. To get to the top, then you must be where. Yeah, watch out, I'm fighting hard for the crown. Yeah, no doubt, I'll be the best pound for pound. I'm obsessed with winning, this is my house. So watch out, I'm coming to the top by value. I'm addicted to winning, if that's a sin, I'll be sinning. I'm disciplined when I'm in it, and this is just the beginning. The money, yeah, I'll be printing while helping others make millions. See, I'm not selfish, no villain, but still I'm making the killing. I'm here for greatness, you can't lock me into cages. Deserve to be on stages, I will be the greatest. Do it yourself, I made it. DIY from the basement, I'll take my life into my own hands, my own plan, yeah I got a backbone, designing my own program, I'll mentor the next wave of the bravest, so don't be late, I'm about to make changes.
Life is a series of challenges, a constant struggle. We suffer daily, but through the daily grind, we prepare ourselves for what lies ahead. To find your new 100%, you must break free from the soft confines of your comfort zone. Life is not lived in comfort, but in the face of adversity. Embrace the warrior within. Train not just for the physical battle, but for the challenges life throws your way. Build your mental armor through discipline, through repetition, and discover the strength you never knew you had.
To get to the top, then you must be where God, I'm like, hey, I will not stop, I am prepared. To get to the top, then you must be where. Yeah, I'm rolling, it's my calling. To be the best, I can be on the mountain. I see you on the other side, but I'm my best life. Pushing on through the pain that is calling. Yeah, I'm rolling, it's my calling. To be the best, I can be on the mountain. I see you on the other side, but I'm my best life. Pushing on through the pain that is calling.
So as you face each day, remember it's not about the weight you live, it's about the weight you can carry in your mind. Unveil the warrior within and let the battles of today shape the victorious of tomorrow.